Welcome to the download.
Downloading.
Hi, I'm Elijah. Welcome to the download. Today we're taking a look at templates, what they are, where to find them, and how to change them. Templates are the designated design layouts that our AI uses to generate your branded videos. Each video that is created on the Waymark platform uses a template, and each template is hand-built by our professional creative team to be unique in design, graphics, layout, and features, with default platform functions available across all. This ensures that your videos are not only pro-tier, but created efficiently with speed and quality at the helm. Due to this, our templates are preset in layout. After you've generated your video, you can switch the template by generating again and leaving the template icon unlocked. If you'd like to switch your template after making edits, you can regenerate by choosing an option from the templates page and applying your brand profile. From the start, we recommend generating at least 3 times and choosing your favorite template to edit from there. On our templates page, you can preview and choose your template before you generate your video. On the left-hand side, you can use our filters to sort by most relevant, newest, or alphabetical. New is the way for me. Then by format, length, assets, and categories. Leaving it on all categories is a perfect way to see all the templates we have, but the other categories are fantastic for inspiration, so be sure to take a look around. Our Kinetic collection, for example, has energizing templates, or 9x16 is great for social, and once you find the one you like, click on it and head to editor. Now we are in the Waymark editor. To apply your brand, click the Choose a Brand button at the top. Here, you will find a list of your current brands, with the option to import a brand, just like our AI page. Once you've either selected your brand or imported a new one, you'll be able to set your direction, just like the AI page. Yup, we've replicated the process here as well. Once you click Generate, our AI will create the video inside the template you've chosen. As you can see, there are tons of fun ways to create a Waymark video exactly how you want it in just minutes. Now go choose your template and have fun!
Downloading.